about to reveal one way you can worship him today using your unique personality.
Good morning. I am feeling the Monday morning energy today. I feel so dang good. I have been switching up my breakfast lately, you guys. You know, if you've been watching my What I Eat in a Days for a while, I kind of had a breakfast formula, but I have been switching things up. I gotta show you one of my favorite new additions to the fridge. Look at this, little egg dispenser. Are you kidding me? How happy is that? When we were in Italy at Casa Bottega in Positano, I ordered scrambled eggs and they served them with cherry tomatoes. I don't know exactly what they did, but in my mind, it was drizzled in a little olive oil, had a little bit of salt and some dried herbs, and I have not been able to stop. This is my new favorite addition to my breakfast. I love tomatoes. What's funny, Kashmir hates them. He thought he hated them. But when we were in Italy, he came to love them, and now he loves them. I've also, if you'll notice, if you've seen all my other What I Eat in a Days, you know this is a little bit of a different breakfast. The tomatoes have been a great addition. My eggs, I still love them scrambled, but I've been adding in some sausage. This sausage has 13 grams of protein per link and only 3 grams of fat. I'm not scared of fat, you guys know that. But I have been trying to make sure I'm upping my protein without necessarily increasing my fat. So just looking for some leaner protein sources in order to increase my protein without like consuming 130 grams of fat in a day too. So these have been a good addition as well. Time for lunch, and I'm gonna use one of my favorite hacks of all time, frozen soup. Seriously, this is one of my all-time favorite nutrition meal prep tips. Make big batches of soup, freeze it in mason jars. These are reusable lids that I got a massive pack off on Amazon, so you can throw away those gross canning metal ones. I always know that I have a healthy, nourishing, protein-rich lunch in my freezer. Hey, wait. No, wait. Wait. Okay. Good job, buddy. Good job. Honestly, one of my best pieces of advice for nourishing your body well is just to stop overcomplicating it and figure out what simple hacks help you. So, I mean, this is like such a simple lunch. I'm literally eating a bowl of soup with some cucumber and apple, but batch prepping soups, freezing them so that they're always on hand. Like, I didn't even have to think about this today. I didn't have to know if I had anything ready. Like, I literally knew I've got soup in the freezer. Obviously, I prefer to heat it up on the stovetop, but if I was at the office like I used to be, I would totally heat it up in the microwave. Do what you gotta do to simplify it. Just stop overcomplicating it. This lunch has everything it needs to. I've got protein, carbs, fiber, micronutrients. I got 40 grams of protein in this bowl of soup actually, so we're doing pretty good. Sadly, my sweet husband just came home and he appears to have a stomach bug. So it's gonna be dinner for one tonight. I hope this is not going to be something that I puke up here soon. But I feel fine at the moment, so I'm going to keep nourishing my body. We're gonna make a Nourish bowl situation, fall themed. It's gonna be good. Thank you for spending another day with me. I hope you enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day vlog. As always, I don't say this in every vlog, but I mean it for everyone. Just a reminder, the reason I continue to share these peeks into what different days can look like for me is to show you how we can approach nourishment of our bodies from a place of abundance and compassion and freedom. I sometimes worry that people can look at what I eat or don't eat or anything and see it as something prescriptive, and I think we all need to remember that our bodies are different and you might have different needs, but I just want you to see what it looks like for another woman to care for her body, to nourish her body well, and to do that from a place of freedom and peace. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing some peeks into what that looks like for me on a daily basis. Every day is a little bit different, but there are themes across every day, which I think y'all will see if you've watched any handful of these from me. I hope that this always just serves as an inspiration to you and some nourishment you can try in your own days. But as always, I pray that it's just a reminder that anytime you watch any of these videos from me, you are just encouraged to love your body well, to be excited about nourishing it and caring for it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. It does feel good to be back. I know I took a break while we were on our trip, and then I know you guys have gotten travel vlogs from me recently, so we're gonna get back to more of this and more of whatever the heck you guys want to see around here. So make sure you comment below if there's anything you would like to see on the channel, and I'm excited to continue to hang out with you guys here. So thanks for spending the day with me. Wishing you all the best wherever you're at today, and always remember that you were made for good, mighty things. I hope you go out there and show up for your brightest life. Bye, y'all.